Hello, my name is Jay, and welcome back to my Tech Vault. Today we're going to be taking a look at Amazon's #1 choice microphone. This is the Lavalier microphone, in particular the Paladou Lavalier microphone. It comes in right around 20 bucks. Now, for 20 bucks, what do you expect from a microphone? That's really the question you want to sit out today and think about. So, I've got a couple comparisons here. Here, of course, I have the microphone that I got at a nice yard sale, which originally retails for $700. No, I did not pay that. It was quite a good deal. But this is a wireless microphone. It's got this and a big receiver box sitting over there. That's what I'm using currently. So for comparison, I'm not expecting it to have all the same features. Obviously this is 20 bucks. What really does matter though, for I'm sure everyone watching this video, is that sound quality, which of course you can't have a good review without a comparison and let you make that judgment. So over here, I've got all the stuff that comes in the box. Now usually I do an unboxing video, but this is like the 8th time that I've recorded this video. Every single time, one part of my audio has completely messed up. Whether it didn't record, whether it sounds like complete garbage, or it sounds like a squeaker is screaming on the top of his lungs when playing Call of Duty and getting killed. So really, it's just a lovely day today, and I just want to kind of get this video done. No offense, just a long day of trying to get a single video out is a little annoying. So, that said, let's talk about what you get. So you got yourself the microphone part itself. It comes with a pretty standard cable. It's actually pretty lengthy, so nice there. It also comes with a clip that you can actually remove, so there's a metal clip that kind of clips onto the microphone itself. Microphone itself is rather large, but standard for pretty much any lavalier microphone. No issues there. It's actually metal too, which is also quite nice. So yeah, you got yourself a nice long cable that allows you to extend. This actually plugs directly into your phone. If you try to plug this into a computer, this like 4-piece microphone, then it won't work. And fear not, they include an adapter, so if you wanted to plug this into your computer, you just pretty much put the adapter on and then you can plug it in your computer. You also get 2 pop filters in case you lose one. They're actually pretty nice. They just kind of slide on, wiggle them on, and there you go. You got yourself a nice microphone. Pretty lengthy there as well. And then of course they've also included an extension cable, which surprisingly is also quite lengthy and pretty much, it's like 7 feet. I believe 7 feet. Yeah. And so maybe 7 or 6 feet. But they've included that cable as well, so if you want to, do a, interview or something, you're standing a good bit away from your camera, you can do that as well. Not really limited by length of the cable, which is something I really wouldn't expect for 20 bucks, but we'll get into that as well. You also get a nice carrying case, so that way if you want to, put the microphone in there and not worry about it getting damaged or something, you've got it in there, and a nice little case that has some, pockets and stuff in there to kind of prevent, the microphone from getting messed up or torn up. So overall, let's talk about build quality on here. So usually I would say, it's not very often that you get stuff where, there's metal and high quality rubber and all that stuff that it really feels high quality, which is something you don't get or don't expect at this price range. So a lot, besides this mostly all being metal and rubber, it's surprisingly high quality for 20 bucks, which I gotta say, kudos to them. They made a good job with this one. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to give you guys a side-by-side sound comparison test. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually take this off and put this kind of in the same place I'm going to put this one. So this is basically just me talking into the microphone from about the same distance that I will be on this one. Now, one thing to keep in mind is, as you can see, the final result of the microphone is, final size of it is quite a big difference. And that's simply just because, that's kind of what you'd expect. Obviously, size does matter, so you definitely want to make sure that you pick the one that's right for you. But as you can see, it really does depend on your preference. This one's a little bit smaller. You don't even see it sometimes. And this one is a little bit larger, which may be an annoyance sometimes as well. So let's get into the side-by-side sound comparison, and you guys can check it out from there. So this is the regular microphone. This is the nice expensive one. No, I did not pay that. And this will be the $20 one. Let's see how it sounds. So here is what the microphone would be about a good distance, about where it would be normally on like your collar. So first things, looking back through the audio, I actually had to re-record this clip. One of the things I noticed is there was some background noise, and that wasn't because of the microphone, but apparently something's up with my mixer, so I have to figure out what's up with that. So this is directly to the camera, not through the mixer. So this is what it sounds like in a normal situation. Sounds pretty good actually, and no issues there. If you get too close, of course it gets a little too loud, and then of course you get a little too far away, it also gets a little too quiet. So this is about where it normally is supposed to be. For overall review standpoint, it looks a little large. I do prefer microphones that are majority smaller, that are a little bit more difficult to see. For example, we've got the lovely little microphone that I've been using on my main set of videos, and that of course has ended up working quite well. But this also works pretty good. This I would rather say is something good to hang from the ceiling or something. It's got a lot of potential to be used in multiple situations, and overall I'd say it's a pretty solid microphone for the price, especially because the lavalier microphones tend to be a lot higher quality than any shotgun microphone you're going to find for the same price, just because it's a more of that price has been concentrated into the microphone itself rather than battery or power or things like that. So overall, I give it a pretty good review. It's a good microphone, pretty solid for the price, and compared to all the other stuff that I have, it works out pretty well. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Of course, if you did, please give the video a thumbs up. Also, I'll include a link in the description of the microphone itself. If you want to go buy that on Amazon, it helps me out. It's affiliate link, so I get money to go pay for more projects, pay for more things to review, and things like that. So thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.